Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Amazon Fire HD10 2021 model. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and then follow us with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a picker and car pry tool. And then, using a picker or plastic car pry tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then disconnect the battery connector on the board. Next, take out the not token battery by applying some heat. Be gentle in this process and slowly cut the adhesive under the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery with adhesive and then secure the connector to the board. Next, clamp up the back cover to the body and ensure the clips are secured. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.